Apa remove? Okay, thank you for your response. Now we're gonna complete the second one. Apa ada orang kena remove? Okay, next one, number 2. Question number 2. Okay, tadi saya dah cuba buat question number 2, this one. Okay, let me replay this one. Ada button replay tadi. Okay, replay. Saya cuba replay ya. Okay, this is a object P and the center O. Okay, and then this is a rotation 100 degree at point O. Okay, saya lajukan sikit. Okay, pertama sekali we draw the line, a straight line from any vertices. So I choose the first one. Okay, I choose the first one here. So draw a straight line, and then I use the compass to draw this semicircle. Semicircle is equal to 180. So I'm gonna rotate every vertex from the object to the center here. Okay. So saya ambil 3 di sini ya. 1, 2, 3. So saya akan rotate clockwise rotation. So the first image will be here, which is the same distance object to the center and image to the center. So the first image here, the second image here, the third image is here, and lastly I connect all these points. Become the point P. Okay, here. Okay, I'm gonna stop, and then the final way is we shut down this one. We plot. We label. This is P, and this one is P prime for the image. Okay, so far boleh boleh follow Lepas saya tunjuk sekali lagi with a protector. I'm gonna use the protector now. Okay, ini tak siap tadi. Saya cuba clear this one. Kita cuba buat this one. Not clear. Tak ada clear. Yeah, everything. Okay, cara yang kedua kita guna protector tadi ya. Protector and ruler. So let me take the ruler. Okay, there's my ruler. Okay, saya pendekkan ruler ini. Measure the tapi saya pendekkan terus. Okay, tak boleh pendek. Around 7 this is around 7. So saya akan measure this one juga around 7. Around 7. The image will be here. Okay, 1. Okay, yang kedua. Okay, let me measure this one. How long is this one? 10.5. Lebih kurang. Jadi saya measure 10.5. Yeah. 10.5. Okay, yang ketiga. Yang ketiga, we draw. Saya ambil this one, around 9. The color line. Okay, this yellow. Okay, because of 180, we can draw the longer line passing through the center. Make it long. Okay, and then we identify how long it's. Berapa tadi? 9. 9. Okay, determine the distance 9. Okay, so the image will be here. Okay, finally we connect all this point with straight line. Okay, this one is the below one, the straight line. Okay, and then this part. Okay, become like this. Then the inclined part become okay, and then this part become like this. So finish. The last part we label with P prime. Okay. Have you done? Sudah siap? Okay, bagus. Okay, 5 orang sudah siap. We have 65 today. Make sure you turn in your attendance at classroom. Use Spencer. Use Spencer. Okay, ready for the next question, B1. Okay, I think everybody finished. Thank you for your response. Let me lower down your hand. Okay, now question number 3. Question 3. Sorry, question B1. Determine the object. Sorry, circle the object of R. R prime is the image. R is the image. circle the object of R, which is come out from A, B, C, D here. And the center of rotation is the point O. Okay, R here is the image. So now we're gonna find out the object. Okay, the question say rotation. R here is image after rotation clockwise. So let me sketch first. Let's say this is R. So R here is the image after clockwise rotation this way. So the object will be on the right of R and below R, which is here, around here. So we're gonna find out the object to the R here, either A, B, C, or D. So what is your answer, class? We're gonna use the same method. We draw a line from R to center, and then determine the distance based on this line. Okay, travel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From R to O is 5. Then we're gonna find out which line which is 5 from the distance. Okay, let me try with C. Okay, C is not 90 degree. Okay, this angle is not 90 degree, and this angle is bigger than 90 degree. So C is out. Okay, now let me try with D. Okay, D also the angle is bigger. The angle is bigger, 90 degree. The angle is bigger than 90 degree. So D is out. Okay, now we try with A. Okay, when we draw a line from the center to the A, the distance is not equal to 5. Then the angle also less than 90 degree here. Less than 90 degree. Okay. This one is less than 90 degrees, so wrong. And the distance also is not equal to 5. So A out, C out, D also out. Okay. So the correct one is, we can confirm it. This one is 5. Okay, B also, let me count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units from O to R, of O to B. Okay, how about the angle? The angle is 90 degrees, Chun. So the answer is B. So the object to the R is the point B. Okay, next one. Rotation of 180 at point O. R is the image. So the object is located on the right of R here. Because the center at the center here, at the middle here. So we're gonna get the object, look at on the right here. So kita boleh confirm with a straight line. We can draw a straight line passing through to the center and then make it longer. And lastly, when any point that touch at this line, and then we can confirm that's the object to the R. Or we can double confirm with the distance. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an approximation Okay, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so the answer is C. C is the object to the point R. Okay, next one, C at 3, number 3. Anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degree at point O. Okay, remember R is the image. So this is image. Please remember the question mentioned before. This is image. So we're gonna find the object around here. This is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. This is image. Anti-clockwise means this way. Any object A, B, C, D will rotate anti-clockwise 90 degree. We can gonna get R like this. So which one is the correct one? So we can boleh guess tak yang mana jatuh jawapan? Bob? So which one is the answer for question B? Question number 3. A, B, C, D. Question number 3. Which one, class? Number 3. Gloria say B. B. Risa say B. Okay. Okay, betul. Jawapan B. Kita tengok adakah betul. Kita boleh check the distance. The distance from this corner to the center. Okay, let me count this one. 1, 2, 3. How many diagonal? 3 diagonal. 3. Okay, let me check with B. Okay, this one. Make sure this is an object and the image for the object is correct. Yeah, this one. Okay, we check the distance, correct or not. 3 diagonal. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one also 3. So B is the best answer. Ini jauh sangat, ini jauh, ini pun jauh juga. Ini 4 distance. So the object is B. Okay, next one. Anti-clockwise rotation of 270 at point O. Okay, remember this is the image. Okay, and this one is anti-clockwise. This is the center. So so the object on the right here will rotate like this. So this is image. So which one is the correct object to the image? So let me find out the distance. If from this over this is how far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 distance. So we're gonna find out the object to the image of this corner. 5 unit from the center of rotation. Okay, so we can okay, 5. 5. Let's say this is 5. We're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we try to do like this. So we try to rotate. Let me take the protector. Okay, protector. Two seven zero. Okay, 270 is equal to 90 degree clockwise. This is other method to determine 90 degree clockwise. So we try to get 90 degree clockwise. Okay, so 90 degree clockwise is this one. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this one is 90 degree. 270 anti-clockwise is equal to 90 degree clockwise. Okay, the object to the image, this one is located at here. Ini pun sama. So lastly, we find out A is the best answer for this question. A, not B, not C. Okay, finish. Next one is question, next page, 109. Page 109, question number 1. Okay, this is question number 1. The way we look for the center of rotation, firstly, we connect P to the P prime with a straight line. After that, we find out the perpendicular divider, or what we call it, vertical divide, perpendicular line that divide P and P prime into equal part. This one, this line, the yellow line. Okay, and then the third step is we draw the Q to the Q prime with a straight line, and then we find out the perpendicular divider to the Q and Q prime. Then lastly, we find out that the yellow line intersect with the purple line at this point. So this point we mark with C after this. C here is the center of rotation. So here. So let me replay this one. Mana buat? Saya akan replay slowly. Okay. Cuba perhati betul-betul. Question number 1, page 109. Okay, the way we the way we're looking for the center of rotation, firstly, we connect P to the P prime with a straight line. Okay, and then we're gonna use compass to draw the divider P and P prime. So we're doing marking at the top of okay, ataupun you can draw like this, inverted C. Then one more is the capital letter C with center P prime. Center here, rotate. Okay, and then we get the divider. The yellow line here is the divider to the straight line P prime. Okay, so we draw the perpendicular line. So ini perlu ni divider. Okay, langkah seterusnya we connect Q to the Q prime. Dapat follow? Kemudian gunakan center Q. We draw the arc from the center Q. Open your compass more than half of straight line Q prime, and then draw the arc. The purple arc, the purple one. And the purple one is the center with Q. Okay, saya adjust dahulu the red one. The red one. Okay, the third step is draw the divider for the straight line Q and Q prime. Bisector, we call it bisector, perpendicular bisector. So we draw an arc at the center Q first. Okay, use compass. jangka lukis, jangka lukis. After that, we take the second center, Q prime. So we draw an arc. Okay, after that, we get the two intersection here, and then we draw the straight line passing through this intersection. And lastly, let me readjust. So lastly, we find out the intersection between the yellow and the purple is located at this point. The intersection between two bisector is the center of rotation of the image, and object. Okay, the variable with C. So this one is the center of rotation. So center of rotation is kita boleh tulis sebagai center of rotation ialah intersection of two point, where the point of intersection of two bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Two perpendicular bisector. So we get C here. Dia boleh lukis dahulu, kalau tak ada kompas, nanti after this boleh cari kompas lah. Ataupun you boleh guna tracing paper. Tracing paper, saya tak dapat tunjuk sini. Okay, dah siap? Belum lagi. Okay, tak apa, saya tunggu. Apa you boleh guna pembaris, you boleh guna pembaris. Find out the, susah juga pembaris, kena cari divider. Mesti guna kompas lah. Macam mana lukis C? Saya dah, macam mana lukis C? Kan saya dah explain tadi. Lukis garisan satu-satu. Dari P ke P prime dahulu. Okay. Saya tunjuk lagi sekali ya. Let me copy this page. Duplicate. Copy directly. Okay, saya buat sekali lagi ya. Saya buat sekali lagi. Saya buka page dulu. Okay, pertama sekali we draw the straight line from P to P prime. Ataupun you guna kompas lah. protector, guna protector lah. Sebab kompas tak ada, guna protector. Letak protector ni di tengah-tengah. Susah juga ni. Mana tengah-tengah dia? Saya guna ini lah, guna kompas lah. Guna kompas, rotate. Okay, buka ini ya. We open this compass more than half of the straight line. And then draw the arc. Okay, arc. Tarik dia ke atas satu, ke bawah satu. Okay. Kemudian ambil di sini pula. Sama range tadi. Opening yang sama. Kita ada 4.7 saja. Okay. Sekarang saya rotate untuk yang kedua. Rotate macam ni. Ini cara kita cari bisector, perpendicular bisector. The middle line of the P and P prime. Okay, let me clear the extra one. Kita tak mahu extra ni. Jadi saya dapat two intersection here. First one and second one. So these two intersections saya connect with a straight line. Ambil warna hijau. Okay, sekarang saya lukis garisan lurus. Saya extend this straight line sebab saya nak cari, because we want to find the center of rotation. Okay, you can extend downward. Okay, siap untuk yang pertama. Okay, yang kedua, you can choose any vertices. Saya ambil Q and Q prime ataupun R dengan R prime. Okay, saya ambil R dengan R prime lah. Jadi saya guna Q and Q prime. Okay, lukis garisan, sambung garisan ini daripada R ke R prime. Kemudian ambil kompas to draw the perpendicular bisector. So saya open dia, tunggu belum mark lagi. Saya buka dia, okay, ada tanda. Buka dia lebih daripada separuh. Ini garisan lurus panjang. Kita tak boleh pendek, buat macam ni tak boleh. Kita, jangan besar sangat. Mesti lebih daripada separuh garisan ini, panjang garisan ini. Okay, saya akan guna warna, saya akan tukar warna ini dengan warna purple. Okay, kemudian saya akan lukis. Saya akan lukis arc. Okay, saya akan lukis arc. Okay, from the center arc. Kemudian saya tukar center. Saya tukar center dengan opening yang sama, 8.2. Saya akan gunakan center R prime lah. Okay, opening yang sama tadi ya. Opening yang sama, 8.2. I'm gonna draw this one. Okay, dah settle ini. Tutup ini. Dan saya clear. Saya clear extra arc. Okay, after that saya akan lukis the bisector passing through this two intersection. Jadi saya boleh extend, saya perlu extend sebab kita perlu cari center of rotation. Extend ke atas, extend ke bawah. Okay, akhir sekali kita akan jumpa satu point of intersection between two perpendicular bisector di sini. Jadi kita akan jumpa di sini. Di sini kita akan label, okay, agak-agak di sinilah. Dan kita akan label dengan C. C is the center of rotation of these two image and object. Betul? Boleh? Okay, bagus. Terusnya, soalan seterusnya, soalan nombor 2. Soalan nombor 2. Okay, ini nombor 1 dah settle tadi. Okay, nombor 1 dah. Okay, nombor 2. This one. Okay, cara yang sama. Lukis garisan dahulu. Saya gunakan warna merah. Saya kecilkan garisan ini. Saya gunakan dotted lah. Saya ambil dahulu P. P dengan P prime. Okay. Kemudian kita perlu lukis perpendicular bisector to the P and P prime menggunakan kompas. Okay, ambil kompas. Letak jarum letak dekat P, kemudian kita perlu buka lebih daripada separuh, more than half of the straight line. Buka sikit lagi, and then we draw the arc. Okay, kemudian kita letak dekat P lagi, P prime untuk cari yang kedua. Saya perlu pusing dulu. Okay, saya adjust protector saya. Okay, kemudian saya rotate yang kedua. Okay. Jadi yang atas ni tak nampak sebab terlebih besar. Apa saya kecilkan dulu. Saya kecilkan dulu gambar ni supaya dapat lukis. Okay, saya adjust dulu gambar ini kecil. Okay, pertama sekali kita connect P dengan P prime. Kemudian kita lukis perpendicular bisector at P. Okay, saya buka besar sikit, more than half. Okay, and then masih tak dapat lagi, kena kecilkan lagi. Kena kecilkan lagi. Oh. Saya kecilkan lagi. Okay, so draw the line. Okay. Apa dah? Pukul 12. Okay, and then open this compass, more than half of straight line. Di sinilah boleh ya. Dan saya draw up. Then the same opening, use the center P prime to draw the second arc. Jadi dapat macam ni. Okay, after that we draw the perpendicular bisector. Apa-apa tadi ya, guna warna purple. So connect these two intersections with a straight line. Sepatutnya perpendicular, sepatutnya 90 like this ya, lebih kurang macam ni ya. Okay, saya extend this line. Sebab saya mau cari, kita mau cari center of rotation after this. Okay, siap. So kita dapat bisector for the P and P prime first. Okay, the next step we are looking for the second perpendicular bisector from R and R prime. Okay, cara yang sama juga. We draw the straight line R to R prime. Saya guna dotted tadi ya. Okay, then take your compass. Where the center of R. Okay, adjust the opening. The opening should be more than half. Okay, this is the total length of the straight line. We just open more than half saja to draw the arc. Okay, let me change the color of pencil. Warna kuning. Okay, I'm gonna rotate this one. Okay, and then take the R prime as the second center. Okay, siap. Okay, now we're gonna draw the perpendicular bisector. Solid line. Connect this one with a straight line. Kita dapat mana di center? Okay, ini saya extend besar. Okay, make it longer. So lastly, we find out that intersection between the yellow line and the purple line is at this point. Saya dapat. Harap-harap you dapat juga. So saya dapat di sini. So this is a center of rotation and label with C. Boleh? Semua dapat? Saya zoom in. Yang ternampak ni. Boleh nampak? Saya zoom in. Satu petak daripada bottom line. So here, C located. Okay. Saya besarkan page ini, tak boleh. Okay, finish. Question number 2. Hello. Ada orang tak ni? Okay, next one. Question number 3. Sama juga cara dia. We draw the straight line from R to R prime. Okay, and then draw the perpendicular bisector. Use compass. Okay, put at R, then open your compass more than half, more than half. Okay, here. So I'm gonna rotate this one. Okay, rotate it, rotate. Okay. Then use the same opening to draw the second one at R prime. Okay, dapat. Then we draw the perpendicular bisector. Connect these 2 points. Okay, then you can extend it. Extend S. Make it longer because we want to get the hole. Ah, okay. Ini yang pertama. Saya clear the extra arc. Ataupun saya clear sudah ini. Ini dah siap. Jadi boleh clear lah. Kita mahu garisan ini saja. Kemudian cari yang kedua. Saya guna warna hijau. Q. Saya ambil Q dengan Q prime. Dotted line. Q and Q. Okay, and then take your compass. Open your compass until more than half. Okay, open it more than half and then draw the arc. Okay, and then put a Q, same opening. Okay, settle. Then we draw the ninja tadi ya. Connect this one to this one first. Okay, after that you can extend it. So you get for the, let me clear the arc first. So the green one is the second bisector, perpendicular bisector to the Q prime. The red one is the first bisector, and then the intersection of red and green located at this point. Then we label this point of intersection with C. Okay, finish. Question number 3, finish. Or you plot first, after this you revise lah, the revision. I'm referring to my YouTube video. Nanti saya akan upload this meeting at YouTube. Okay, next question B. Okay, good. Question B. Question B. This one. For the draw Q prime, P prime, Q prime, S prime, and R prime is the image of PQRS under a rotation. Describe the rotation. Okay, the image is located on the right, so we can say that this is a clockwise rotation, right? Clockwise. Okay, how many degree? This is one step only. It's about 90 degree. And then where is the center? The center we have to identify based on our previous method. So now we're gonna find out the center of rotation. So use this previous method, use compass, and use this method. So center susah sikit lah, center awak cari. Awak cari guna compass center. Okay, open more than half and then draw the arc. Okay, we can extend this one. Okay, siap untuk pertama. For the first one, perpendicular bisector. Okay, yang kedua, mau cari warna kuning. R and R prime. Saya ambil R and R prime. Okay, and then open your okay, this one. Oh. Okay, this is your compass. We have to open more than half. And then we draw the arc. Okay, saya tutup sikit. And then draw the arc. Use the same pony to, and then different center. Okay, yellow one is the second perpendicular bisector. Okay, I'm gonna extend this line, this yellow line. Yeah. Nampak tadi. I have to go ahead. Okay. Saya extend this line to get the intersection between the yellow and the green one. So after saya draw these two yellow and the green, saya dapat center at 6, 1. The intersection di sini. So ini kita panggil center of rotation, and then we have to state the coordinate for the center of rotation, which is 6, 1. Okay. After we found out the direction clockwise, the degrees 90, and the center 6, 1, we have to write down the full statement, full description about rotation. So the answer is clockwise rotation of 90 degrees at point 6, 1. Ini jawapannya. Okey, soalan last kali. 12.5. Soalan nombor 2. Ini dah siap? Finish? Question number 1, finish? Okay, 7 people finish. Question number 1. Okay, and then last question. Question number 2. Picture saya tak sengit ni. Jadi dia akan effect nanti. Saya adjust picture saya dulu. Tak dapat rotate. Okay, okay, saya adjust. Tak dapat. Okay, boleh lah. Okay, this is object and the image is located on the left of object. Kita cuba lukis dahulu. The direction. This one is anti-clockwise. Kalau macam ini pun boleh juga. Clockwise. Okay, the center kemungkinan berada di tengah-tengah ini lah. Itu kita perlu cari lah. And then this is, I think this is like this. Dia rotate macam ini. 180 punya ni. Bila 180, we no need to mention the direction lah. Jadi kita ready dengan answer. This is a rotation of 180. Ini clear dulu. Sebab kita nak cari center after this. So this is a rotation about 180. So no need to mention the direction. Center je kita perlu cari. So at point, okay, coordinate of center kita perlu cari menggunakan cara tadi lah. Okay, lukis garisan R with, and then take yang kompas to draw Okay, we have to open more than half. So bolehlah lebih kurang macam ni. Kita akan buang opening lebih kurang. Okay. Kemudian saya dapat straight line. Saya extend sikit. Okay, so settle untuk yang pertama, saya boleh delete arc ini supaya nampak clear lagi. Kemudian saya ambil S prime and S. Warna biru lah pula. Okay, and then take your compass. Open your compass more than half. Okay, boleh. Lebih kurang macam ni. Dan saya akan draw up. Okay, siap. Kemudian ambil warna biru tadi. Biru. And then this one. Ini sepatutnya straight line ni sebab straight line saya dah sengit. Jadi dia akan jadi macam ini. Sepatutnya straight line ni ya. Buku use straight line lah. Okay, dah settle. Di akhir sekali kita jumpa center. Center of rotation berada pada ini. And then we find out the coordinate 6, 4. Alright, 6, 4. 6. Okay, boleh. Jadi YouTuber buat dahulu homework muka surat 110, 111. Tak dapat saya habiskan. Jadi saya simpan the next one, 1110, 1111 until 1112 for the revision. So this Thursday we're gonna hit chapter 12 because our target final assessment will cover until 13 and then the last 4 chapter in Form 1. Okay, finish this question. Okay, so far okay. So rotation of 180 at 0.64 for the question number 3. Question number 2, page 109. So that's all for today. Do you have any question? So you can refer to the YouTube after this, the revision. So thank you. Assalamualaikum. See you again this Thursday.